10 British towns left behind when industry faded away. Something changed in Britain, and you can still feel it. Entire towns once powered the nation, steel roaring through the night, ships sliding into dark waters, coal dust settling over streets that never slept. Then, almost quietly, it stopped. The jobs vanished, the noise faded, and what was left behind wasn't just empty factories, it was a different way of life. But not every town tells the same story. Some are rebuilding, others still carry the weight, and at number 1, the past still feels painfully close. This is 10 British towns left behind when industry faded away. 10. Workington, England. Workington was shaped by iron, steel, and engineering, an industrial mix that gave the town both purpose and identity. For generations, people here worked in heavy industry tied closely to West Cumbria's industrial network. As those industries declined through the late 20th century, Workington didn't collapse overnight. It gradually slowed. The steelworks closed, and the ripple effect spread through local jobs, shops, and daily life. Today, parts of the town feel steady but subdued. You'll find quiet industrial land near the docks and residential streets that carry a sense of waiting. It's not abandoned, but it's changed. There's still pride here, still community, but the pace is different now, and that quiet shift is just the beginning. 9. Irvine, Scotland. Irvine's story is more subtle, but no less important. Once linked to maritime trade, shipbuilding, and light industry, it played a key role in Scotland's west coast economy. Over time, those industries faded, and Irvine became part of a wider redevelopment effort in Ayrshire. New town planning brought change, but not every part of Irvine moved at the same speed. Walk through the harbour area and you'll see regeneration, modern spaces, restored buildings. But just beyond that, there are neighbourhoods where the energy feels quieter, where the past still lingers. It's a town caught between identities, what it was and what it's trying to become. And as we move forward, the changes become harder to ignore. 8. Ebbw Vale, Wales. Ebbw Vale once stood at the heart of global steel production. The steelworks here weren't just large, they were defining. Entire generations depended on them. When the works finally closed in 2002, it marked the end of something massive. Thousands of jobs were lost, and the town had to face a future it had never really prepared for. Today, regeneration has brought new developments. Education centres, improved transport links, but the scale of what was lost still echoes. Stand in Ebbw Vale and you can almost imagine the heat, the noise, the constant movement that once filled the valley. Now it's quieter, more measured, and as we continue, the stories become even more complex. 7. Barrow-in-Furness, England. Barrow-in-Furness rose rapidly because of shipbuilding, becoming one of Britain's most important naval construction centres. At its peak, it was a powerhouse of engineering skill. Today, advanced submarine production still continues, keeping part of that industrial legacy alive. But broader employment linked to traditional shipbuilding has declined over time. This creates a unique contrast. One part of Barrow is still deeply tied to high-tech engineering, while other areas reflect the economic gaps left behind by industrial change. Walk through the town and you'll feel it. Pockets of activity, surrounded by quieter streets that hint at a busier past. And that contrast only grows stronger from here. 6. Motherwell, Scotland. Motherwell earned its reputation as the steel capital of Scotland for a reason. Massive plants dominated the skyline, and the town's identity was built around steel production. When the industry declined sharply in the late 20th century, especially during the 1980s, the impact was immediate. Jobs disappeared, and entire communities had to adjust quickly. Today, Motherwell has diversified, with new sectors replacing parts of the old economy. But the legacy of steel is still visible in the layout of the town, in its character, and in its memory. Some areas feel renewed, others feel quieter, shaped by what used to be there. And now we move into towns where the impact feels even more visible. 5. Neath, Wales. Neath was part of the wider South Wales industrial region, deeply connected to coal mining, metalworking, and heavy industry. It wasn't just one industry, it was an entire industrial ecosystem. As those industries declined, Neath experienced a gradual transformation. This wasn't a sudden collapse, it was a slow shift that changed the rhythm of everyday life. Today, the town centre remains active, but the industrial backbone that once supported it has largely gone. You'll find repurposed buildings, modern retail spaces, and quiet reminders of what used to dominate the landscape. There's a sense of adaptation here, a town learning to move forward without forgetting its past. And as we approach the top 4, the scale of change becomes even clearer. 4. Hartlepool, England. Hartlepool was built on shipbuilding, heavy industry, and its busy port. For decades, the docks were full of activity, and the town had a strong economic foundation. When those industries declined, the effects were widespread. Employment dropped, and the town had to rethink its future. Today, Hartlepool has seen regeneration, particularly around the marina, where modern developments have brought new life. But beyond those areas, some parts of the town still reflect the long-term impact of industrial decline. It's a place of contrast, new investment alongside older streets that feel unchanged. And now, the final 3, where the stories become even more powerful. 3. Merthyr Tydfil, Wales. Merthyr Tydfil was once a global centre of iron production during the Industrial Revolution. At its peak, it helped power an entire era of growth and innovation. But as heavy industry declined, the town faced long-term economic challenges. The industries that built Merthyr were never fully replaced on the same scale. Today, the town has a strong identity and a proud history, but it also reflects the ongoing effects of that transition. Some areas feel vibrant, while others carry a quieter, more reflective atmosphere. You can sense the history here, not just in buildings, but in the way the town feels. And now we move to number 2, where the change was sudden and dramatic. 2. Grimsby, England. Grimsby was once one of the busiest fishing ports in the world. The docks were alive with trawlers, markets, and constant movement. But the decline of the fishing industry, particularly after the Cod Wars and changes in fishing access, hit the town hard. Jobs disappeared quickly, and the impact spread through the entire community. Today, Grimsby is working to diversify, with new industries and investment slowly reshaping the local economy. But the scale of what was lost still defines much of its identity. Walk along the docks and you can still feel it, the echo of a time when this place never stood still. And now, number 1. 1. Redcar, England. Redcar tells one of the clearest stories of industrial change in modern Britain. For decades, the town revolved around steel. The SSI steelworks dominated the landscape, providing thousands of jobs and shaping everyday life. When the steelworks closed in 2015, it marked a sudden and significant turning point. The closure didn't just affect employment, it changed the atmosphere of the entire town. You can stand near the coastline and see the vast industrial site that once powered everything. It's still there, a powerful reminder of what used to be. Redcar is not standing still. Regeneration efforts are underway, and new opportunities are slowly emerging. But the scale and speed of that change make it one of the most striking examples on this list. And that's why it stands at number 1 in 10 British towns left behind when industry faded away. These towns are more than headlines, they're living stories of change, resilience, and identity. Industry may have faded, but the spirit hasn't. And if this story pulled you in, there's more waiting just ahead, because across Britain, the past is never as far away as it seems. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.